Imagine a world where your money doesn't just sit idle in your bank account, but it works for you, diligently growing and multiplying like a well-trained army of dollars. Now close your eyes and picture that luxurious vacation you've been dreaming about, funded by your very own financial superheroes. Now open your eyes, because today we're delving into a financial adventure of real estate investing, where your money becomes the hero of your story. But before you consider clicking away, let's address the fear in the room. Yes, the fear, which is the first emotion that creeps in when we think about real estate investing. The fear of huge capital requirements, the fear of market volatility, the fear of managing properties, and let's not forget the fear of missing out on profitable opportunities. But what if I told you there's a way to turn those fears into excitement? Yes, you heard right. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary way of real estate investing that could be the game changer, the real estate crowdfunding. Before we dive into the video, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of real estate crowdfunding, a revolutionary way to invest in properties. First things first, let's understand, what exactly is real estate investing? Well, in a nutshell, it's putting your money into property with the expectation of making a profit. This can involve purchasing physical properties, renting them out, or flipping them for a quick gain. Traditionally, it required a significant amount of capital and expertise, limiting access for many potential investors. And here's where real estate crowdfunding swoops in to save the day. Real estate crowdfunding is like a team effort where a bunch of people pool their money together to invest in real estate projects. Imagine you and a group of friends shaving money to buy an apartment or any big properties or land. That's kind of how it works. Now, the awesome part is you don't need a ton of money to join in. With just a small budget, you can become a part owner of properties like apartments, offices, or shops. It's like owning a slice of the property pie without having to pay for the whole thing. And the best part, you don't have to worry about fixing leaky faucets or dealing with grumpy tenants alone. So, to sum it up, real estate crowdfunding is a way for regular people with not so big budgets to team up, invest in real estate, and hopefully make some money together. It's like the modern-day version of a community coming together to invest in real estate. Real estate crowdfunding brings forth numerous advantages for both investors and developers. Let's explore some of the key benefits. Number 1 is accessibility. Real estate investments have traditionally been limited to wealthy individuals or institutions. However, crowdfunding has opened the door for everyone to participate, allowing small investors to enter the once exclusive world of real estate. Number 2, diversification. Investing smaller amounts across multiple properties or projects reduces the risk associated with traditional real estate investments, providing investors with a more diversified portfolio. Number 3, low capital requirements. With real estate crowdfunding, investors can start with minimal capital. By pooling resources with others, individuals can collectively invest in high-value properties that would have been out of their reach otherwise. Number 4, transparency. Crowdfunding platforms provide investors with detailed information about the project, including financial projections, location details, and developer reputation. This transparency enables investors to make informed decisions. Number 5, convenience. Real estate crowdfunding allows individuals to invest from the comfort of their homes, eliminating the need for extensive research, property management, or dealing with tenants. It offers hassle-free investment opportunities with potentially high returns. And there you have it. Real estate crowdfunding, an innovative and accessible way to invest in properties with great potential returns. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, real estate crowdfunding offers a wealth of opportunities that were never before within reach. Join the revolution and take advantage of this new era in property investments. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Until next time, happy investing.